Hello students. Now in previous video I give you the answers of lesson number 12, a house and a home. Now we are doing the next exercise B. Say whether the statements given below are true or false. Means दिए हुए statements को हमें बताना है कि कौन सा statement सही है और कौन सा गलत है. Now let me start. The first statement is any building can be called a house. कोई भी जो बिल्डिंग होती है उसे हम मकान कहते हैं. This one is true. Second, one is more comfortable at a house than at home. कोई भी व्यक्ति एक मकान में ज्यादा कंफर्टेबल होता है घर की अपेक्षा. This statement is false. Third, we need wood, stone, bricks, etc. to build a home. एक घर बनाने के लिए हमें लकड़ी, ईंटें, पत्थर इनकी जरूरत होती है. This statement is false. We need love and care and affection to build a home. Fourth one, we don't love and take care of our family members at home. हम अपने फैमिली मेंबर्स जो घर पे रहते हैं उनको प्यार नहीं करते और उनकी देखभाल नहीं करते. सो दिस स्टेटमेंट इज फॉल्स. होम इज कंसर्न्ड विथ सम इमोशनल फीलिंग्स. जो हमारा घर होता है वो एक इमोशनल फीलिंग से जुड़ा हुआ होता है. सो दिस स्टेटमेंट इज ट्रू. सो स्टूडेंट्स, दीज आर द स्टेटमेंट्स which are true or false. Now we go to the next question. Second one is let's read. Read the passage carefully and answer the questions. I explained it in your previous videos that how you read the passage and find the answers. So the first one is you have to read the passage very carefully. Jackie was a little jackal. One morning he felt hungry. So he went out to look for food. But there was no food under the trees, no food in the fields, and no food by the roadside. No luck, he said. I will go and drink some water. So he went to a pool and looked down. What a wonder! There was a fat crab under a rock. Yum, yum, he said. He poked his nose into the rock and the crab. It pressed Jackie's nose with its sharp pincers. The poor Jackie howled in pain and ran away. So student, this one is the passage. Now we are finding the question answers. Like question number 1 is, which places did Jackie go to in search of food? The answer of first question is Jackie went to places like trees, fields and roadsides in search of food. Second question is, what did he think at last? At last, Jackie thought to go to a pool to drink some water. Question number 3, what did he find under a rock? Rock के नीचे उसे क्या मिला? Answer, he found a fat crab under a rock. Fat crab under a rock. Next question, when did the crab press its pincers to Jackie's nose? Crab ने अपने pincers से Jackie की nose को कब press किया, कब काटा? Answer is when Jackie poked his nose into the rock. जब Jackie ने अपनी नाक को पोस किया rock के पास उस समय. Next is how did Jackie react? अब जैकी ने कैसे रिएक्ट किया? जैकी हाउल्ड इन पेन एंड रैन अवे. दर्द में जैकी चिल्लाया और वहां से भाग गया. So students, you have to write all the answers in your Notebook.